Now the topic before us is structure your presentation. Now we will discuss what should be the structure of our presentation. First is we should start with a strong opening. When we begin our presentation, it should be with an attention grabbing statement, or we should start our presentation with a question that will attract our audience towards our presentation and make them interested in our topic. We can also start with a relevant quote, a story, or a surprising statistic. Next point is we should use a consistent design throughout our presentation. If we use a consistent design throughout our presentation, it will give a cohesive look. That is, it will look appropriate. If we use different fonts, suppose we are making a presentation on slides and we are using different types of colors and different fonts on different slides, it will not give the nice look. We should use the same font, color scheme and layout for all of our visuals. Next point is use visual aids effectively. Visual aids such as charts, graphs and images help us to explain our points and make our presentation more engaging. Next point is use transitions. What is the meaning of transitions? Transitions mean the words like to begin with, secondly, furthermore, as a result, therefore, etc. These are all the examples of transitions. We should use transitions between different sections of our presentation as they help us to connect different ideas and topics together in a smooth and logical way. When we are discussing a topic during a presentation and we are now to start discussing the second point, in that case we can use the transition, secondly, furthermore, therefore, such type. Next is end with a strong closing. We should end our closing with a strong statement that summarizes our main points and leaves our audience with something to think about. Next point is use of presentation tools. In our presentation, we can use presentation tools such as PowerPoint. It will help us in delivering a powerful and engaging presentation. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.